Okay, I'm Marco Villasenor from Interastar Group, and I'm the CDO, and I'm responsible for the technology and development teams. Okay, so Interastar Group is an Acumatica partner, and we specialize in integrations and development, and we have worked with different solutions and modules that have different verticals. And my role as a CDO is to work with the development teams and the integration teams and find the best solutions and the best way to approach requirement. So I work with the teams to build the design and to do the programming and build the modules and the quality assurance of those integrations so we can help our customers. My first programming language was QBasic, so it's been a few years. I actually learned it. A friend of mine that we're actually partners right now, he told me about this language, and we began programming games and basic stuff in the computer. And so we started with QBasic, then I moved to Visual Basic, then C. We even tried programming in calculators. So I really liked the freedom of being able to build whatever you like. And I've been programming since high school, basically. One nice project was last year hackathon. We worked on an integration with another service cloud, and that was interesting because we could connect Acumatica with a cloud services, a communication service, that's Twilio, and we could send notifications through Acumatica. So that was a very interesting project. Another project that we're working right now is we have a full vertical solution for leasing companies, and that has been really interesting because you have to take many things into account for financing and loans. And finally, another project that we've been working on is helping companies in Mexico comply with all the requirements for their invoicing in the local legislation. Well, I really liked the way that it's structured, and it's really easy for any developer to start working with the platform. And what we really liked when we were looking at different options, and we looked around for other platforms and other solutions to find the best partner to work with to help our customers, is that the Acumatica platform gives you access to all the APIs and all the source code, so you can begin working on a complete solution completely integrated with the platform. So we really like that on the business side and the strategy side, and our developers really liked that flexibility. So it's been amazing working with the platform. Well, there's always the learning curve that there's with any platform, any technology. Thankfully, there are many resources, and every day there's more. There's access to groups, there's the Stack Overflow community, there's the whole breadth of documentation available for the platform. So there's, especially with new elements in the development group, and they need to learn a lot, but there's always that information ready. And we like to keep in touch with other Acumatica developers, and that has helped us build a better practice and better products. Well, there was a couple of things that we wanted to see, and just this last summit, we saw some tools that are coming out. Well, some are already out that will help the developers, so that's nice to know. These tools will help us find bugs and see, be able to read better the code that we're working on. And so that's something that we would like to see more tools and perhaps ways to work with the things that we're developing. For example, a good tool that's currently missing is a testing framework. There's actually a testing solution for the full stack testing, but it will be helpful to have a way to do unit testing, to actually have a way to test each part of our modules before publishing to an instance and having a full stack testing. So one tool that was amazing to see is the Acumatica. That's actually a plugin for Visual Studio that you can install in your development environment. And it was built by the Acumatica team, and it's really helpful because it gives you insight into all the custom Acumatica code that you need to write, and it helps you by colorizing the different lines, formatting the BQL, and other helpful tips that come out in real time while you are programming. So that's a tool that I mean, all developers want it, but you have to start working on it, and being able to see it working and have it available right now, that was amazing. And I was looking at that presentation and I was texting my development team, you need to download this right now and start working with that.